What's that? You better give your dad a big hug.
Kizzy! Oh, I called the Kizzy. I can't believe I called the Kizzy. What's its name gonna be?
Chewie.
Tex.
No, it's
right?
Chewie.
No, let's think of a name.
Chewie.
Well, we don't have to think of
It
one
likes
right
to chew
now.
on things and Chewbacca.
Just peed. Bridget, watch out, just peed. Did you get the boy or the girl?
It didn't.
The boy. Did you get the boy?
Yeah.
His name's Chewie.
But now we have to figure out a name.
I love you very much.
Do you guys like Chewie?
Should we introduce him to Giz
No.
yet?
Yeah, Mom, we need to tell Anna. Yeah, we gotta tell Anna.
Let's see what Giz says. Hang on.
Giz.
Okay, let's.
Where's its
Giz
collar?
says no.
Oh, he has one on. Oh, it does? Yeah, right here.
Kizzy.
It's really gonna bark at it.
I like Chewie. How about you guys for Chewbacca?
Watch out, Abby.
No, Abby, don't
Very
put it
careful.
Giz. Giz.
Giz is like, I smell another dog in my yard.
Giz.
You're gonna pee on it.
Gizzy.
Giz just loses all hope.
I there, Gizzy. I there. Giz, look up.
Giz, here you can.
Yeah, let your mom.
Giz.
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 Over here.
Gizzy.
Over here. She's looking at it.
Be nice.
Be nice, Gizzy.
I think Giz is too old to do it.
Giz.
She's trying to get it.
Hey, Bridget, put it back off.
She's like, we have a
She's like sitting.
She's like, is that a robot?
Put her close to her.
No, Giz is like tickling up her lip.
Oh my gosh, Giz, we gotta get you
She's sitting. She thinks.
introduced to her.
I think she thinks it's food.
No. She's really fixed on it.
Gay!
I think she thinks it's food. Oh gosh.
Oh! No, they're scared.
Let's
You
vote.
got a
Giz.
collar for it?
Giz.
Mom, you haven't gotten a name tag for it yet.
Giz.
It's gonna be Chewie. I'm thinking
Giz.
like Chewbacca.
Giz.
Chewie.
We have to
No,
tell them we
it's
don't
a
need to pick a name
puppy.
just this instant.
Like you.
so.
Yeah.
The dog.
We don't need to pick a name this instant.
I can't believe
Okay,
we
every
just
time
got
it
dogs.
is-
We need to have a name for it.
Well, we'll think about it. We want to pick one sooner, but
I think
it
that's
doesn't have to be right now.
Do you like Chewie, Abby?
No.
Is it likes to chew on things?
How do you know? We got it.
But they'll get used to each other and they'll become
I think
friends.
we should
Yeah,
name it